Muslim beliefs. Checkpoint 3. Here are pictures about Muslim beliefs. Islam religion. Islam means submission to the will of God. Second largest religion in the world, revealed over 1400 years ago in Mecca. Followers are called Muslims. They are monotheistic, that's the belief in one God. Their God in Arabic is called Allah. Their leader is Muhammad. Their holy or sacred book is called the Quran, and their place of worship is called a mosque. The history. God sent prophets to mankind to teach them how to live according to his laws. Prophets include Jesus, Moses, and Abraham. Muhammad is the final prophet. Muslim laws are based on the Quran. Sunnah, practical example of prophet. 5 basic pillars of faith. The 5 pillars of faith are declaration of faith, praying 5 times a day, giving money to charity, fasting, pilgrimage to Mecca once in a lifetime. There are articles of faith. Allah is the one and only God, belief in angels, belief in the holy books, belief in the prophets, belief in the day of judgment, will one go to heaven or hell, belief in predestination. Allah knows all. Humans still have free choice. Vocabulary. Prophet, a person regarded as an inspired teacher of the will of God. Practical, related to actually doing something useful and real rather than just ideas or theories. Migration, movement of a group, usually of animals during a particular season, from one place to another. Declaration, a formal or explicit statement or announcement. Fasting, not eating all or some kinds of food or drink, oftentimes as a religion tradition. Pilgrimage, a religious journey.